With exercise 1, we're just going to do with left hand. Okay? Many of these exercises you can try one hand only, and since left hand is the weaker hands for many of you, we're going to do that. Now please stay with kind of a slower rhythm, slower speed in the beginning. Once you get comfortable, you can always speed it up later. When I can count a couple ways. With exercise 1, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? With beginners and younger children, I usually have them count just 1 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason is sometimes they do not remember what numbers they are. Sometimes they will go 1, 2, 3 and then go back to 1 and forget all about the 4. So if you are beginners and not feel comfortable with counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you can just count 1 because each of those notes there have one beat. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, rest. Okay, you notice I'm choosing C chord in this one. Sometimes you may also familiar yourself with different chords or different notes with these exercises. Let's try to use a D chord on second exercise. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel good about it? Now let's do exercise 3. With exercise 3, let's try our right hand. Okay? Let's change the chord to E flat. E flat chord has E flat, G, and B. Let's try exercise 3. Now I'm going to try to count 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 1, 1, 2, rest, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I hope I'm not confusing you with counting rest. Because there is a rest there. If you don't want to count rest, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, if you have some kind of a rhythm accompaniment, if you own some kind of keyboard, it's helpful to turn on the keyboard and then you can feel a sense of the rhythm. In this case, I'm going to pause here and turn on my keyboard so that you can hear how that goes. Okay, can you hear the background rhythm accompaniment? I just turned on my keyboard accompaniment. Now, since many piano players do not have a chance to play in the band or with some other drummer or percussionist, it's important that we keep track of the rhythm. When we play piano solo, we tend to get carried away and forget all about rhythm. I'm turning this rhythm thing on, and we're going to work on exercise 4. If you don't have a rhythm accompaniment, that's okay. It's something that you may want to consider invest in the future. Many small keyboards that cost you like $50 or something come with pretty handy rhythm thing. Okay, let's do exercise 4. In this case, I'm going to do the E flat chords, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will notice, if you have a background rhythm going on, your exercises become much more interactive, okay? You have to listen to the rhythm. And the rhythm will help you to feel internalize the rhythm that you see. Okay, now let's go to exercise 5. This time, I like to have my right hand hold on to E flat for the whole time I'm playing with my left hand doing the exercise. My left hand is going to do exactly as is written on exercise 5. Okay, we're going to do rest, 1, 2. Okay, when you count rest, your second beat is going to become your 2 now. Okay, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a lot more fun now. Now this time we're going to do a little bit sort of a percussionist thing. I'm going to do exercise 6. I'm going to just play one note, maybe just the F note with my right hand, and then my left hand will do the second measure, and then the right hand will do the third measure, and the left hand will do the last measure again. So we kind of alternate. This will train your hand coordination and also your brain to be more coordinated. Okay, let's do exercise 6. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. The first measure, right hand, second measure, left hand, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that? Okay. You can even make it a little bit more jazzy. You can do a chord. Let's do an F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Assuming you are accompanying someone, you're doing comping, you can also do this kind of rhythm. You can play a block chord, let's say an F chord. Do an octave of C. Then you can accompany someone like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This sounds this can be really interactive and fun. Let's move on to exercise 7. After we're done with all these exercises, I will turn off the rhythm accompaniment and let you feel the difference. Let's do exercise 7. We're going to do a G chord. We're going to do both hands the same thing. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you doing pretty good with this? Okay, hang in there. If you are struggling with this or feeling a little bit hard with this, try it slowly. I'm choosing a rhythm that's sort of a moderate speed. Not too fast, not too slow, just to make sure that everybody are on the same pace.